Okay, so galing tayo ng Lizares Mansion and kita nyo naman balot na balot tayo kasi mahirap na. So maglalakad lang tayo mula sa Lizares Mansion hanggang sa may Haro Church. So yan na yung Haro Church. Natatanaw na yung belfry. Ayun oh. Okay, so welcome to Iloilo. So bali ito yung ating day 2. Ngayon ay May 10, 2024 and nandito tayo mismo sa Haro, Iloilo. So meron tayong feature na isang cafe and museum. Pero mag-open pa sila ng around 11 o'clock. So ngayon ay 9:30 pa lang mga kaijubero. So daan muna tayo ng simbahan ng Haro. Tapos diretso tayo ng Agatona 1927 Cafe and Museum. So nung 2022, noong October 2022, galing ako dito, inaayos pa lang itong plaza ng Haro. And yung Agatona 1927 Cafe, commercials pa lang siya. Pero ngayon, ginawa na siyang Cafe and Museum. Ayan. Okay, so yung last 2022 napunta natin dito, inaayos pa lang itong belfry ng Haro. So sarado ito, pero ngayon kita nyo naman napakaganda ng belfry nila. Talagang preserve ang nangyari, no? Gis pa lang ng umaga and sarado pa yung pupuntahan natin. Muna tayo ng simbahan. Tawid tayo sa kabila. Diba, napakagandang simbahan mga kaitsubero. So nagawan ko na ito ng noon at ngayon, ang simbahan ng Haro. So short story lang yung ginawa ko. Kung gusto nyong mapanood yan, ilalagay ko yung link ng video sa description below. Pasok tayo ng simbahan. bagong bukas lang ito mga kachibero. So yung baba commercial pa rin, pero yung taas ang cafe and museum. So ang tawag sa kanya, Agatona Arguelles de Halandoni. Nag-o-open pala ang Agatona 1927 Cafe and Museum ng kapag Friday daw alas 2 ng hapon. Ayan, so alas 11 pa lang. Balik na lang tayo mamayang mga alas 6 ng gabi, no? Nagbabalik na tayo dito sa Haro Plaza mga kaijubero para balikan ang Agatona 1927 Cafe and Museum. So bali 4 o'clock na ng hapon mga kaijubero. So eto na siya. Yan, halika tawid tayo. So pinababalik ako ng alas 2, kaya lang sabi ko mga 4 or 5 na lang ako babalik kasi 'di ba mainit pa 'yon. Ayan, so perfect lang yung oras natin. Tamang-tama sunset ano. Ayan, tawid tayo sa kabila. Halika na. Tawid na tayo. So eto siya, sorry. Agatona Arguelles de Halandoni. Parang dito yung entrance. Ayun, ito yung entrance niya mga kaisubero. Halika, pasok tayo. So Agatona 1927 Museum Cafe pala mga kaisubero. Hello boss. Magandang hapon po.
Okay.
So may ano tayo?
May rates po, sir.
May rates,
yes,
okay.
Po, sir. Eto po, meron po kaming guided tour.
Okay.
For Iloilo resident po, sir, is 250 per head.
So since I'm not a resident, I'm a dayo.
Non-Iloilo resident. Here, dito
So
po tayo.
300
Yes,
tayo.
300 per head.
Okay.
Yung inclusion po, sir, ng 300 per head dito, sir, is choices of your drinks.
Okay.
Coffee, tea, and cookies.
Okay.
Yes, and juice, also juice, sir. Tapos, may tour guide na po to
Okay.
sa 300. Yan po, sir, yung inclusion niya, sir.
Okay.
For non-Iloilo.
Okay.
And also, we have self-guided tour, sir.
So parang ano to?
Walang tour guide.
Oh, walang
yes.
tour guide.
Yung 350 mo po, sir, yung 200 po will be consumable sa cafe.
Okay.
And then yung 150 will be the entrance sa access niyo po sa museum.
Not bad.
Yes,
Oh,
yes, I know, sir.
Fair enough.
Yes, which
Kumbaga.
one do you prefer, sir?
So,
okay,
sige.
sir.
So yung cookie nila since 1927 pala.
Yes po,
pa.
sa kay Doña Gatona pa po, who owns this house po.
Interesting. Sige,
That's why they wanted to, go back from 1927 po. Naipatikim sa
That's good idea.
Yes. From,
What's your name?
my name is Pearl.
Pearl. Oh, thank you so much, Miss Pearl.
Thank you, sir. John.
And sir, what's your name, sir?
Hello, good afternoon. I am Rinel.
Renel. Okay.
Yes, I'll be your tour guide for today. And sir, ilang days na po kayo dito sa Iloilo City mo?
Kahapon.
Nakarating nyo lang?
Dumating ako kahapon.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So, welcome po to Iloilo City. This is your second trip to Iloilo, right?
Third time na.
Third time.
Yes.
So, welcome again to Iloilo
Oh.
City. And welcome to Agatona 1927 Museum Cafe in Haro, Iloilo City. Yes po. And as you can see here, this is the museum named after our Doña Agatona, Arguelles de Halandoni.
That's her.
And this is Doña Agatona po. And Doña Agatona was had this house built in 1927. Kaya po, it's Agatona 1927 po. Sir, if you can see the house, what do you think is of 1927 pa po?
Very grandeur, very grandiosong mansion ito. Di ba?
Actually, this house was partly renovated na po. Kasi nung World War II in 1942 to 1945, nasira po.
Nasira siya. As in totally sira.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Tsaka naglipat po si Doña Agatona nung nung panahon na yon.
Opo.
So, kung may makikita po kayo dito, sir, what do you think is left from 1927 po dito
Siyempre, Dapintuan.
Napintuan po, yes.
Tama ba
It's very
ako?
important. Talaga naman.
Oo.
Wala nang pinto na
I can tell,
yun,
oo
diba?
naman. Wala nang gumagawa niyan.
Yes, sir.
O, di ba?
So, here ang pintuan. As you can see here, this is their
Door knocker.
This is their knocker.
Knocker.
This is how they do this. And then once marinig po sa itaas ng mga mates po nila, they would automatically go to the balcony or terrace, jumping not to see
Sisilipin kung sino siya.
sisilipin. And then they will pull a rope sa itaas. And then by pulling the rope, this one here will open for the guest po, for the bisita or whosoever wants to get inside the house. Yeah. Parang
Grabe
sobrang
itong
luma
pintuan
na.
nito, sir, ano?
Yes, it is
Very intact.
Very intact talaga.
Yeah.
Yes po. And then, this way go please, sir. Actually po, this flooring here, this was made after na po ng World War
Ang
II.
bago na,
Bago na
no?
po. So, hindi na po ito siya original na,
Okay.
na store po natin. In here, as you can see here, these are some of the antiques of Doña Agatona in 1920s pa po ng mga collection.
1920s pa ito. Ito
Yes.
yung mga pag nagta-travel sila from other na
Yes
going
po.
to other country, ito yung mga
Ito yung
dala-dala
mga
nila.
dala-dala nila.
Oo.
As you can see, may scotch tape na lang po kasi.
Oo nga. Yes.
Very sensitive na po siya.
Oo.
Na parang, dapat...
Huwag na nating
talaga
hawakan talaga yan.
Yes.
Oo.
So, and then, this is her part-time thing na ginagawa pag wala siyang, pag nabupor siya.
Oo, panggansilyo. Oo.
Panggatsilyo. Actually po, sir, tinatahin na lang po namin to kasi
Kasi-
pag nilondry namin,
Nagbabakbak
merong mga
na.
parts na,
Nasisira na.
kagaya nito. So, tatahinan naman namin yan.
Oo.
Diyan po. Para maanlagay po
Oo.
namin.
Para
Para siyang
siyang
3D.
3D, yes.
Yes.
Exactly, yes.
Sabi ko nga sa mga guests ko, ang mahal-mahal ng 3D ngayon. Meron ng palang 3D in 1920 sa
Ang galing
Ang galing, ang galing. This is in her time pa po. Ang na to.
Oo nga,
frame
3D siya,
Yes po.
yes.
And this way, please, I'd like to highlight this one here from our friend. This is the tomb of Don Manuel Arguelles.
The husband.
Actually, he is the father of Doña Agatona
of the
po.
father.
Yes, Don Manuel Arguelles is the one who's benefactor of the church. Siya po napagawa ng ating Cathedral Church dyan in Haro. Kaya po, later, sa tour po natin, there are a lot of connections sa church at sa bahay na po na ito.
Okay.
And then, nung namatay po si Don Manuel, he was buried din po dyan sa church.
Sa loob. Kaya may
Yes po.
mga tomb doon.
In remembrance of Don Manuel as the benefactor and the very first layman po. If you enter the church po dun, sir, that is on the left wing of the church, sa harapan po. This is the original picture. Ito naman po ang zoom picture po. Yan. Ayan po. As you can see, yung steps po natin, this is in 1927 pa po na mahogany.
1927 and
Mahogany stairs, yes. Ayan po. Mahogany. Pero okay na okay pa po to. Pwede pa po kayong tumalon dito. Yes po.
Pero nito nung World War, no?
Ito hindi po to, sir, na usually yung mga wallings lang po sa itaas po. And this way, please, sa mezzanine po tayo, sir. In here po, we are showcasing to you, pasensya ka na po muna sa carpet namin kasi 1920s pa po ito na mga carpet. Yes po. Oo, sobrang luma na po nito. Okay, so this is Our Lady of Candles. This is Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria. She is actually the replica of the one there po sa ating church, sa cathedral. And then, our Nuestra Señora was actually commissioned in Spain.
Okay.
But the person who sculptured this is also a Filipino, na si Ireneo Cristobal po.
Ireneo Cristobal.
Yes po. So, this is the Mama Mary that they use every procession sa Haro on their fiesta. Every February 1, kinukuha po siya dito. Fiesta sa Haro. Ito po siya, sir. Yung picture, si Mama Mary, nung pinoprosesyon po siya.
Okay.
Ayan po. And then, in here, every Holy Week, this family, ito naman po yung pinoprosesyon nila, yung Encuentro. It was also made by Maximo Vicente, also a Filipino, and it was commissioned by the family Virgilio of Salud Montenola. Cecilia Montenola po, sir, siya po yung asawa ng anak ni Doña Agatona. Yes po. And as you can see here, this was actually old style na karo po.
Oo nga, no?
Dito, as you can see, the carvings there. Actually, hanggang ngayon, hindi po talaga namin nilalagyan ng mga flowers dito to showcase this one.
the design.
Yes, and as you can see here, may mga alambre na lang. Kasi it's very antique already.
Oo.
Luma na. Pero ayaw pa rin ng family na, you have to change it into a new
Oo.
modern one. Kasi
Yes.
gusto nila, pag nag-procession sila, is ito talaga.
is.
Yes, as
Oo.
is po talaga. Siya po. There. And this way po tayo. Welcome po sir sa second floor ng bahay. Oh, before I forget, as you can see here, there are two doors here. Actually, ito po dati yung sauna ng mga bishop, ng mga priest. Yes po. Pero ngayon, it is made into commercial building na po.
ganun ba?
Wala na po. Commercial building na po siya. So,
Okay.
bali sa kabila po, salon na po. Ditong
salon.
massage
Okay.
parlor. Oh, I don't know if you've seen po kanina nung pumasok ka.
Yes,
Ayan
I
po.
saw it. Yes.
Oo,
So,
salon
lahat
na siya.
yung mga nandito, commercial na lang talaga ito.
Yes po. Dito lahat sa ilalim, sir. Sa ilalim po.
Yes.
Yes, dito po tayo please. Sa second floor po.
Second.
Yes po.
So, I'm very, very happy na makita ito na ni-restore ninyo.
Yes.
Kasi yung last 2022 galing ako dito, sabi ko, sana gawin nilang something kasi napakagandang bahay.
Actually, sir, even the Ilonggos, they would say na, ay makikita ko lang yung bahay na yan na ang ganda-ganda every fiesta, every may event. Kasi full ang lights nito tuwing
Oo.
gabi. Dati, if there's an event. Pero, ngayon, na-open na siya for public as museum and they were so happy.
Ako, kahit hindi ako taga rito, isa ako sa natuwa kasi alam ko kung ano itsura nito before.
Yes, sir. And this way po tayo, please, sir. As you can see here, this is the portrait of Doña Agatona Argilies de Vioda di Halandoni po. And then, can you take a look at her eyes? And then you please move here, sir. Ano na notice mo?
Tinitingnan niya ako.
Tinitingnan ka pa rin niya.
Oo.
Yes. And that is why, that is one of the feature nung nanalo ito, sir, sa Paris. Nung pinicturean po siya ng photographer at dinala doon, bronze winner po yung photograph na ito.
Oh, wow.
There is one photographer po na nagpunta dito to take pictures of everything in this house as a heritage.
Oo.
Tsaka kinumpit niya doon at nanalo ng bronze winner yung photographer. And this house was even
Featured.
featured and
Yan yung book
nilagay
na-
sa house that sugar built.
Where can I find a book?
Yun nga hinaharap ko rin, sir, actually dito. Pero, makikita mo, sir, dito, Iloilo, Negros, and Pampanga po, na mga heritage houses. If you will see here, ang dami pa talaga dito.
Dami.
Maybe siguro no, yung pinuntahan mo sa Negros, nandito rin po, sir.
I think
Yan.
so, yes.
Yes, this is actually a very good book. I tried, pero hindi ko pa natapos yung hindi ko pa natapos.
Sabi daw nila, yung daw mga mayayaman sa Negros Occidental came from Iloilo, especially Haro.
Totoo yan.
Tama ba? Yes.
Totoo yan.
Kaya,
Yung sugar cannery nila is also in Negros po.
Negros, yes. Negros
And then,
Occidental.
As you can see here, she's wearing her veil dyan po. This is the original veil na sinusuot niya po dyan. At saka ito naman po yung medallion niya po na sinusuot po nandyan. Actually, sir, the story of this medallion, kasi po, si Doña Agatona, she is one lady na, first, her father is the one who had cathedral church built. Second, her devotions, her services, her love, her passion, parang naano na po lahat sa church. That's why she was awarded by an American bishop, si Bishop James McCloskey, and siya po yung bishop noon ng ating Cathedral Haro po, church na for 25 years.
Oh, wow.
Yan. And yung award na po yun ay tinatawag po natin na, dito pa tayo sir, Pro Ecclesia et Pontifice.
Ecclesia.
Yes po, Pro Ecclesia et Pontifice po. This is to recognize of her valuable service po sa church natin po. Ayan. And in this way po sir, yan po si Don Ruperto, the husband of Doña Agatona. Ayan po. Ang sa itaas naman po, si Don Fausto, he is the brother of Don Ruperto. And
Okay.
this one here is Sir Carlos. and Ma'am Cecilia. Sir Carlos is the son of Doña Agatona and Don Ruperto. And then, she married, yung wife niya po is Ma'am Cecilia Montinola po. That's why if you entered kanina, meron doon nakalagay Halandoni Montinola Ancestral House. It's because after po, nung namatay na po yung mag-asawa, sila na po, the one who had been settled in this house, sila na po yung pinangalanan na po sa kanila. That's why...
Pinangalanan na sa kanila.
Yes po. Pero yung Agatona pa rin, yung main po na pangalan ng museum na po to. And as you can see here, meron po ba kayong na-notice dyan, sir, sa mga pictures natin? Diyan po? Diyan po, sa pictures
Kung
natin.
may nanonotice ako.
Oo, may na-notice po kayo? What I wanted to tell you po is si Don Fausto is the real father of Sir Carlos. As you can see sa mukha,
Oo nga, no?
Sir Carlos is only an adopted child po.
Oh, really?
Yes. Ang swerte niya, no?
Galing naman yan.
Ang galing talaga. Yes po. Kaya,
Parang sila talaga.
yes. Yes po.
Ama.
Yes
No?
po. Pero adopted lang po siya ni Doña Agatona at ni Don Ruperto. Trivia! Trivia. You have seen here sa Pro Ecclesia regarding sa kay Doña Agatona, it's not only her who had the award like this. Also po si Sir Carlos. It's also because he also did a very big impact and service po sa ating church po dyan. Not only sa church, ibang church, entire Philippine, even sa labas po na church. Ano po si Sir Carlos po doon, involved po siya. So, in 1961, he was also awarded with the Pro Ecclesia et Pontifice. And noong 1981 naman po, si Ma'am Cecilia was also awarded with the Pro Ecclesia din po.
Oo, nakakatuwa
Opo. And you see, I wanted to tell you, the values of this family, the characteristic, from Doña Agatona up to their, tumitindig yung balhibok, I'm sorry, up to the 4th, 5th generation na po, kung ano ang sinimula ni Doña Agatona and the entire family, hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin po. Yes po.
And then, ito ang galing nakit nila yung gown, no? Yung pa rin
yes po. Ito yung medal niya po. Ito po yung bag niya at saka paypay niya po. Kasi I'd like to tell you that si Ma'am Cecilia po is mahilig talaga sa paypay ever. And you will see po inside yung some of her collections po ng paypay.
Oo.
Yes po. And then, in here po, actually meron na po akong bisita dito also na nagsabi, Malia, sir, as a tour guide, do you have the idea of the attire they're wearing right now whenever they are awarded with the Pro Ecclesia?
Talaga?
Opo, matanda na rin.
Oo.
Dapat alam mo yan, sabi niya sa akin, they are wearing the hablon tela. The hablon.
Hablon, no?
This is one of the famous of the Ilonggo tela.
Hablon.
Later, isa-search ko po. And
sige.
Ang ganda ng tela na po na yun.
Talaga?
Yes po. And please, this way po tayo, sir.
So, dito naman tayo.
Ito naman po yung kwarto ni Doña Agatona.
Wow!
As you can see, her room was beside our altar.
The altar.
Kasi po, nung pinatayo po yung bahay na to, she really asked na katabi ng altar yung room niya.
Yung room niya.
Yes po. So, this is her bed. Her wheelchair nung matanda na siya.
Oo.
And this is a chair she used before nung ang hindi
That's
na
what
siya
you call
maano.
butaka.
Oo.
No?
And then she can't just go out na there. Dito na lang po siya umuupo to face the altar.
Okay.
Ang dami nga nagsasabi, ay bakit meron kayo nito? Papaanak ka
Oo. Paanak ka naman talaga yan doon, di ba?
Pero that one is they have parang riser na pag ganun po.
Oo.
Yes.
And this is the old wheelchair.
Yes po, yan.
Wow.
Yung wheelchair niya.
Nakita nyo naman, Suliya.
Had it kept pa po na the family. Ganun
Ang
sila
galing.
galing magtago. And this is the pet naman po. And
So, eto
I
na.
don't know if you've been to to Nelly's Garden.
No, I haven't. It's not
also
allowed daw
one heritage house.
Oo
Yun
nga
lang,
eh.
sir, malapit lang dito.
Pero hindi raw allowed mag-picture.
Picture, yes po. And then in here, actually speaking of the Nelly's Garden, they have this circa in 1960s.
Okay.
The what they so called the Rigidon de Honor. You know, the party of the alta sociedad people. Yan.
Yes.
So So, there are the families like the mga Lopezes, the mga Ledesmas, yung mga ganon dito sa Iloilo City po. And this is one of the collection from the photos that she had, Ma'am Cecilia and Sir Carlos po. As you can see here, this is a picture of Rigodon de Honor at sa Nelly Garden po. Yes po, yes po. So, ayan po. And as I told you, eto po sir yung collection ng paypay niya. These are just some of the collection. And that one right there is, I think it's her favorite. Yes po. Yung parang inano na lang ng family, parang inayos na lang nila to be there talaga. This is her fan na talagang ginagamit niya whenever she goes church, she goes to, parang pang-araw-araw na ginagamit niya. And, have you heard of the Assumption School in Iloilo?
Yes.
The entire family is Assumptionista. From Assumption talaga. And in here napan po, sir, are the collections of Ma'am Cecilia's gowns. Actually, these are just the few of the gowns. Kasi po, ito na lang na parang maayos. Ito mga Pitoy Moreno, mga Bing Sanchez. Bing Sanchez is one of the famous na designer noon dito, sir. And then, this is the gown she wore on nung 50th anniversary po nila ni Sir Carlos. Ayan po.
Buhay na buhay.
Super buhay.
Mukhang inano nila to, ni-restore nila ng maayos ito, no?
Hindi, ganyan talaga, sir.
Kasi
nakabaol lahat po eh.
Oh.
Nakabaol lahat po. Ayun mga collections ng baol po ni Ma'am.
So talagang iningatan nila,
yes,
no?
Po. And in here naman po, ang ating 1920s po na cabinet.
Oo, na aparador.
For your video. Ayan. I'd like you to watch the horror of the... Ayan.
Oh.
Ayan.
Matakot.
And here is the cabinet.
Cabinet. So, nung mga aparador talaga noon, ano lang, ano? Dito lang lahat, wala pang...
Ay, ayan na, ang smell. Parang ano pa?
Oo nga, no?
Parang we're back from the past. Ayan po.
Hindi pa uso yung hanger, no?
Yes po.
That time.
And in here naman po, sir, is
ano
the
naman
Spanish
ito?
shawl of Cecilia, of Ma'am Cecilia Motinola Halandoni. Actually, this is
Spanish shawl.
Oo. Parang handmade ito ata na na shawl po ni Ma'am Cecilia. And that one there is the veil of Doña Agantona. Kasi po sir, dati po kasi when you go to the church po, you should wear a veil. But you cannot get inside the church if you don't have the veil. Only the ang nakakapasok po doon. Talagang ginawa po nito na alfresco type kasi you will if in-aircon po to, you will not see po the beauty of it.
Oo naman.
Outside.
Totoo.
Here.
O diba?
Po.
Tama.
Yeah.
Tama yung ginawa nyo. Hindi nyo siya sinara.
Yes. As you can see here po, sir, ito
Wow.
1927 na po ito na mga glasses. Pwede ko na siyang makatok kasi nalagyan na po ito ng pang doon sa loob.
Talaga 1927 pa itong mga to.
Yes, original pa po. At saka yung the one there po, mamaya po sa sa comedor po natin. And actually, sir, when Doña Agatona died, these rooms became the office of Sir Carlos and Ma'am Cecilia.
Ano?
Yung anak po.
The anak. Okay.
Yes po. And here are some of the collections of Ma'am Cecilia's groceries.
Oh, wow, ang dami.
Ay, sir, ano lang yan? 1/4 lang yan.
1/4 pa lang yan. Okay, hindi pa lahat.
Kaso lang, yung iba is parang nasira na hindi na po namin ma-AI.
Oo.
Yan na lang po yung mga natira sa collection pa ni Ma'am Cecilia.
So, ibig sabihin, ang dami.
Yes, sir. Here po. As you can see here, on our first frame, actually, have you been to our museum here in Iloilo? Museo Iloilo?
I haven't.
Hindi pa. Ay, punta ka doon, sir. Ang ganda din doon.
Sige, punta ako.
Dati po, sir, si Sir
Carlos Halandoni,
yung anak ni Doña Agatona, he is the chairman of the museo po. There. The Handumanan pa po yan dati, Juan Pablo II Museo. Yan pa yung pangalan. But ngayon, they had cut it up down to Museo Iloilo.
Museo Iloilo, okay.
And then si Cardinal Sin.
Oo nga, no?
Very good friend of Sir Carlos. A very good tie with ties with the family po. Kaya po, we have a lot of pictures from Cardinal Sin and Sir Carlos po. Kasi dito po parati si Cardinal po. Nung time po niya. And then in here, so you can
The 5
see this
pesos.
actually, this is bagong lipunan ko po. 1972, ata to ang last na gamit ito. This is uncut money who was given to Sir Carlos. Maybe pag nag-100 years na to, mahal na ito. Yes po. And in here po, sir, yung past time na favorite na ginagawa po.
Cross-stitch. Hindi ako
This is
nagkakamali.
also one ang hand-sewn blanket po na ginagawa po ni Doña Agatona po. Actually, yan yung tinuturo na po, ang cross-stitch po na to.
Oo,
Sa
oo.
mga, ngayon tawag natin is caregiver na po.
Oo nga, oo.
Dati po tawag nila nurses and aides pa po. Yun yung mga tinuturo po.
Oo.
Yes, actually na po, naka-fold na lang to kasi na Mickey Mouse na po siya.
Oo nga, oo nga. Sir, may na-curious lang ako sa Atay Bed. This is repro, no? This is a reproduction na, no?
Yes, sir.
Hindi na ito yung antique, no?
Yes po.
Oo.
Actually, this is in 1950s.
Oh, 1950s.
After na po
Ng World War, okay. So, hindi siya yung antique na atay.
Meron pa pong mga tela-tela to dati.
Oo nga, parang kurtina.
Yung parang tool for curtain.
Oo.
Yan, ano po.
Nice.
Yan. Yes, this is tayo. Hi, sir. That's
Look alive, why I was